video is continuation for Unit 2, lesson name Matter and Materials. First, tell me children, do you know what it is? Yes, it is corn. Do you like it? Yes. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is chapati. Do you know by what it is made up of? It is made up of wheat. We all eat rice daily, don't you? Do you like rice? Let us learn about grains in detail. Grain is a small, hard and dry seed. Each grain is protected by a husk and the husk encloses the seed. Two main types of commercial grain crops are cereals and legumes. Wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley and millets are some of the whole grains. Next, wheat. Wheat is the most important crop in the world. Whole wheat is important because it is rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. Some of the wheat products are bread, cakes, pasta, wheat gum and cracked wheat. Next, maize. In many tropical and subtropical countries like Mexico and America, maize is the main food that people eat. It is also known as corn. Maize is also made into oil for cooking. Yellow or colored corn may promote eye health. It is also a rich source of many vitamins and minerals. Corn syrup is used as a sweetener instead of sugar in many products. Maize products are sweet corn, breakfast cereal, tortilla chips, taco and maize oil. In our daily life, we all used to have idli, dosa, idiyappam, etc. These are all made from rice. Rice is a type of grass. It is produced worldwide after sugarcane and maize. Large parts of the world's human population, especially people in Asia, have this as their main food. 90% of the world's rice production is in Asia. White rice contains few essential nutrients. Brown rice is a whole grain that contains the fibrous bran. Brown rice is usually considered much healthier than the white rice. Rice idli, idiyappam and rice aval like flattered rice are the food items made from rice. Next, millets. Millets are a group of small seeded grasses. They are widely grown around the world as cereal crops for fodder and human food. It helps in weight loss. It is rich in fiber. Some of the millet products are sorghum, foxtail millet, finger millet, pearl millet, barnyard millet, kodo millet and little millet. These are the household goods which were used in the olden days. First, it is clock. Second, gramophone. Third, radio. Children, can you say me some household goods which we use nowadays? Yes, TV, fridge, microwave oven, electrical stove, etc. Household goods. These are the products that we use in our house permanently. The goods that are found in the house permanently are called household goods. Household goods are furniture, kitchenware, clothes, towels, beddings, boots, and electronic goods. Floating and sinking. You would have seen that some objects float in water while others sink. Whether an object floats or sinks is determined by its density. When an object is immersed into a liquid, the liquid exerts an upward force on the object. It is known as upthrust. What happens if you put a coin and an empty water bottle in water? The weight of the coin is greater than the upthrust, and so the coin sinks. But it is less on the empty water bottle, and so it floats. Some more example of floating is plastic ball, swimming tube, etc. Children, let us do an experiment. Take 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of sand. Mix these substances in water separately. After some time, you can see that some substances completely dissolve in water. We say that these substances are soluble in water. Example, salt, sugar, etc. Other substances do not dissolve in water even after we stir for long time. These substances are insoluble in water. Example, sand. Take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and mix in water. Certain liquids are heavier than other liquids. When you attempt to mix liquids which have different densities, they separate when you stop mixing them. The heavier liquid deposits at the bottom and the lighter liquid floats on the top. In this experiment, you can watch that the oil floats on top and water will be at the bottom. Thank you, children.